Hello and welcome to the Module 4 second video. Camera. In this lesson we will talk about how to use a camera to take images using our Raspberry Pi. To use a camera in our Raspberry Pi we have two options. First one is to connect a USB camera and the other is using a TSI camera. TSI stands for Camera Serial Interface. The new 8-megapixel Pi camera comes in two varieties, a standard visible light camera and an infrared sensitive camera, known as the P-NOIR. Both cameras are TSI cameras and can be used in the same way with our Raspberry Pi. First, we need to enable the TSI interface. To configure the TSI interface, we go to Preference, Raspberry Pi Configuration, then click on Interfaces and enable the camera driver. We press OK and it asks us to reboot our Raspberry Pi so the drivers can be loaded. We answer yes and we reboot our Raspberry Pi. When we reboot our Raspberry Pi, we can check if everything is working fine by executing the raspstill command and telling them to save a snapshot on the image.jpg file. When we execute the command, we can check if it's the image on our file explorer under home menu, and we can see that we have an image.jpg image. To use our camera, we're going to use the Pi Camera Python libraries. You can install them using this command. Now we are going to use it on a Python program. The following example is extracted from the Pi Camera library documentation. You can see more examples in the link shown on the screen. And the program, what makes it is to instantiate a Pi camera, then adjust the resolution, starts the preview of the camera, sleep for 2 seconds so the camera can adjust the light levels, and then capture a snapshot and save it under the file name foo.jpg. Now we're going to show how to send these images to our cloud services. To send our images to the cloud, we are going to use Cloudinary. Cloudinary is an storage service specialized on images. They provide a Python library to easily manage their services. First, we need to go to the Cloudinary website and register to get our APK and our API secret. The following example sends an image called foo.jpg to the cloud. If we execute this code, we can check the results on the following link. Remember to use your personal APK and secret. Now we can join the Camera Red program with the cloud storage and we will have the following result. If we execute the program, we will take a picture with the camera and send it to the cloud.
In this lesson, we have learned which are the options to install camera in our Raspberry Pi. We also learned how to use the camera with Python and how to send the images to the cloud. In the next lesson, we will learn how to use actuators to interact with the world. Thank you and goodbye.